They took it to 10.
Hello guys, what's up? It's your girl Julia and welcome to Nitro channel. I didn't see you guys in a while. I was busy. I'm still in China. Now I'm in Hangzhou. I kinda sick, now better than before. And yes, I have work every day and I'm very tired, sick, whatever. That's why I didn't record in a while. I'm already 3 weeks in China. Almost 1 week I was in Beijing, and I'm 2 weeks in Hangzhou. And today I'm trying to go to the city center, to West Lake. Kinda scary because I have to use public transport like buses, metro by myself first time, but I hope I'll be fine. And it's pretty gloomy outside. I hope it will not get rain. And today I need to find a balloon. Yeah, don't ask me why, maybe I'll tell you later. Yeah, but today I'm trying to do that. Let me show you the outside. So this is how outside looking like now. Oh, it's raining actually. Not nice. I hope it will rain in the evening, but it's already raining. But I woke up to go out, so I will do it. Guys, I wanted to show you Liberty statue here. It's raining. I'm under the umbrella. Yeah, so yeah, this is our small Liberty statue. One day I'll make a big. Actually, our neighborhood is very nice. We got different countries, so all these things represent different countries. I think this is like Holland. You see sheep. So cute. And we have all these malls. Even we have one Russian mall, but it's not mall like shop, but it's closed, unfortunately, because it would be interesting what they had there. Okay, I will take my camera because it's raining. Sorry guys. Kangaroos. This is actually really pretty. Look at the flowers. I don't know what type of flowers is that. And look at our river, or whatever you call it. So yeah, let's go under the bridge. My umbrella messes up my bun. Yep. So now I sit in a bus, and I was pretty lucky. It just I came to the bus stop and sit in a bus into my bus. But I think it cost like 2 yuan, 2 RMB, and I don't have coins, so I tried to give 5. But they just like said go, 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 and I don't know. They let me for free or what it means. I need to take like 14 bus stops, I guess. Step number 1 is done, and now I'm in a subway waiting for train number 1. My station here called Wells Lake Cultural Square. And I'm not sure if I'm going right, but I'm about to take 3 stations to Hangzhou. Yes, so I'm waiting for it now. And yeah, bus was fine, but it's still raining crazy. Excuse my hair. I'm in rush, but I hope I will do everything I need. So I exit Metro and now I found Victoria's Secret. I'm about to go inside and see what's going on. And I see this looks like a huge mall. It's a city center. I will check this out. And also I saw Sephora side there. And I see Apple Store. A lot of people in Apple Store there. And maybe you see so far and the reindeer is Louis Vuitton. So this area I like more. This is very nice. All sparkling and shining. And this is very big, nice Victoria's Secret. And this one is actually my perfume I used to use when I was in America. I bought it and I like it. I still have a little bit home. I don't have full-size mirror home. It's like a mansion. So as you can see, I'm outside. This is one of the malls. Still raining like all day. Smart Chinese selling umbrellas. I went to Sephora, but they don't have no brands. I wanted Mario Badescu facial spray. They don't have it. They don't have Anastasia Beverly Hills or Huda Beauty. So sad for me, but at least they have some clinic. So now I'm trying to find a balloon. I need one balloon. This is so funny, it's raining, I'm talking about balloon. Yeah, now we'll try to go to Westlake. I bought some Chinese syrup medicine for my friend. And it's pretty heavy bottle. And I also got some like iced tea. Yeah, and that's it. They have full mall in a Subway. This is just unbelievable. They have a lot of makeup brands. They even have Maybelline, but the thing is they don't have the Maybelline I use foundation like 24 hours super stay, and they don't have it. This is crazy. Like when you think about China, you think they have everything and everything is very cheap, but really it's not like that. Kind of disappointment. I even have supermarket here. Just look. My favorite duty. Joking. Maybe I'll buy bananas. I don't know. Actually, this one is kind of expensive. I can still buy bananas. They have so many like photo zone. Like you can make pictures everywhere. And these lights remind me in Moscow, Nikolskaya streets. I'm upset and hungry and decided to go to McDonald's and took this pineapple pie because yesterday one girl said it's good and this is her favorite, and double cheeseburger. So I decided at least I will eat something before work. Yeah, it's crazy raining all day. I came to some park, I think it's Westlake Park. It's very beautiful, but very wet because rain never stops. Yeah, this vlog is nonsense. and it's very slippery, and I'm there in sneakers. Here's a museum. What is here? I don't know. I almost got back home. Look how nice it's looking now with lights, but it's raining, still raining, and I went to the wrong bus. I sit in the wrong bus. So stupid. And I just looked at the map and I saw that I'm going wrong way. So I had to change the bus again. Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, and finally I'm almost home. I'm happy for the view. But I still didn't get what I wanted. So guys, I wanted to talk to you. Now I'm home and I didn't buy no balloon, and I want to explain why I wanted a balloon. Yeah, because I didn't tell you. And I already finished my work, came home, and now about just wash my face, lay down, whatever. I'm very tired and yeah, I wanna rest, sleep. I'm sorry. So about the balloon, there is one famous how to say, life trainer in Russia, and she's pretty famous on Instagram too. Her name is Елена Блиновskaya. So she made a marathon of wishes, and she just sending like audio messages, whatever, with different tasks like homework you need to do. And so you're doing these things, and the last one was to make your wishes happen, whatever. You need to fly with them with the balloon, or like plant a tree. No, how you say it? Ground a tree. Okay, you got me right. So, but I'm in China now, and I'm not in Beijing. I'm in Hangzhou, and it was pretty hard for me to find the balloon. And today, after all the struggle, I still didn't find. And I was thinking about, you know, these Chinese lights when you also they're looking like balls, and you put fire and they fly. But it's raining all the day, and it will be raining all week, so I don't think it can fly. Tomorrow I'm thinking about, I had my own idea, and when I was reading our chat, we have kind of chat and girls like texting what they did. One girl in Iceland, she made a boat and she put it on a river. Oh, she put it in a sea. So I was thinking before her also the same, to make like a small ship and put it in a river and I let it swim. So probably this is what I will do tomorrow. I think you like listening to me and thinking like, what the fuck are you saying? Sorry for effort. But yeah. I think I will see you tomorrow. If not, bye bye. See you next time. Sweet dreams.